What's up, guys? Welcome back to my lab. Before we get started, hit subscribe and share notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Today, guys, we're making Goopy Oobleck, but there's one thing the first thing we're going to talk about is viscosity. Viscosity measures how much fluid resistance there is. When water has less viscosity, so it pours out quickly. And honey has more viscosity, so it pours out slowly, like a turtle. Sir Isaac Newton made a law that viscosity of a liquid should never change. But today we're breaking that law. Oobleck, when you don't touch it, is like water. When you do touch it, it's like solid with more resistance. When you don't touch it, it's with less resistance. Let's get started. First, put 160 ml of cornstarch into the large bowl by filling 80 ml measuring cup twice and empty into the bowl. Now fill the measuring cup with 80 ml of water. You can add 4 drops of food coloring. But first, let's add 40 and 80 ml of water. Now pour the water into the bowl of cornstarch and stir with a spoon or mix with your hands. And if I have shoes, I'll go with my hands. Look, it pours like a liquid. Now grab some and try to roll it into a ball with your hands. This is how you make a ball. And you know, I'm crazy, right? Taking off my gloves. That's totally fine. You can be what you want to be. I choose to be weird. Okay, guys, keep playing with it. And that's it from me today. Always do science. Bye.